So, ang gagamitin natin is Venizon meat. Ito yung Venizon meat. Venizon meat. So, I have 1 pound of venison here. So, we have our Asian Lumpia wrapper. So, this is 50 pieces. We have our pepper. We need to add salt. We have our onion, green pepper, string onion, and our magic syrup. We have our celery. Ayan. I have my cilantro and carrot. So what we are going to do now here is I need to chop into small pieces for this. What I'm going to do this is I need to grate this one. By doing grated, this will be going to small pieces. Okay, so we will start. Alright guys, mga nagtatanong ano yung venison meat, this is a family deer. So this is meat there, okay? So I have 1 pound of here. I have 4 cups of carrot, 1 cup celery. So grated lahat ito guys. 1 cup of green pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of white onion. Meron din tayong ginisa mix. Nestle baka naman, ready for sponsorship. And cilantro, this is 1 cup of cilantro, and then 2 string onion leaves. Ayan. So, mag-add din tayo ng what is this? Black pepper, and of course the salt. Okay. Before anything, I have my 25 pieces na. This is a lumpia wrapper. This is a Asian meat. So what we're going to do is mix it all. Do is halo-halo lang. So ihalo na natin yung ating mga ingredients here. Ayan. Sundan nyo lang ako guys mula sa umpisa hanggang dulo. Nakikita ninyo yung lahat ng mga ingredients. I-download ko rin ito sa aking YouTube channel. So, doon sa aking description box, ilalagay ko lahat yung mga ingredients na mayroon ako. So, madali nyo lang sundan. Anyway guys, any kind you can make this, even beef, even meat, pork meat, like that, chicken. I have all my recipe on this. Chicken, venison, and beef, pork, like that. Meron ako sa YouTube channel ko. So, ayan. So, this is ready. Is ready. Here is now our lumpia wrapper. Ayan. see. Here we go. So, ayan, 27 pieces yung aking nabuo. Ayan. So, medyo madami-dami din siya, guys. So, keep on freezer lang. So, it takes a year. You can preserve it. So, ito na yung ating finished product ng venison burger, guys. Venison meat. Ayan. Super delicious and yummy looking, guys. Oh, see? As you can see. Ayan. So, thank you so much for watching this, my vlog. And don't forget to subscribe and post the button all below para magiging updated kayo sa next kong recipe, guys. Bye!